Hi guys, my name is Alex Kimani, and if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe and share. Nicolas Kokkalis prepares for Mainnet launch. The future of Pi Network is here. Nicolas Kokkalis, co-founder of Pi Network, is poised to make a significant leap forward with the impending launch of the Mainnet. As excitement builds amongst millions of pioneers, it appears that Nicolas Kokkalis is ready to propel Pi into its fully decentralized phase. With the Mainnet on the horizon, the Pi network community is set to experience the true potential of this innovative, a transformative shift towards decentralization. The launch of the Mainnet represents a pivotal moment in the evolution of Pi Network. Since inception, Pi Network has focused on creating a user-friendly and secure ecosystem, allowing millions worldwide to participate in cryptocurrency mining directly from their mobile devices. Now, with the transition to Mainnet, Pi Network aims to deliver even greater value to its pioneers and enhance user confidence in the platform. Kokkalis, recognized as a visionary leader in the development of Pi, has expressed his belief that the Mainnet will usher in a new era for all users. We believe, and I quote, "We believe that decentralization is key to a fair and inclusive financial future," he stated. By launching the Mainnet, Pi Network is not just introducing a cryptocurrency, but creating an ecosystem that enables pioneers to transact, invest, and innovate. Thank you guys. Please kindly subscribe and share.